Oh, yes. Yes. Welcome. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I want you guys to look at me and join me so that we can do something that is very, very unique. And I know you haven't seen this before. I'm going to be doing the MilliDreads, and it's going to be two in one. If you would give me your time, maybe you can learn something from this one, because number one, you'll be able to learn how to do the inside cornrows, because today I would like to show you how I do my cornrows so that they last longer than these other cornrows. And that's why most people keep asking themselves, like, why do my crochets last longer? It's just because of these cornrows that I do. Yes. And this is how it is, and you try to make sure you try it like this. You understand? It is from inside. And this one helped me in that sometimes we get hair that has got a lot of volume, that is it has a lot of volume. So when you're trying to do these cornrows, I would advise, like, these inside corners would look better, like it is very nice than the other ones that we always do. Yes, because when the hair is growing, it will grow from inside, and here when you're plaiting it is always flat, like it doesn't shrink, like showing that it doesn't is it swollen, yeah, just something like that. It doesn't swell. Yes, it doesn't swell. So this is how I just keep on doing my inside cornrows, and I'd like you guys try to learn how to do this, because it is very, very simple, and I know you can do it. So why I created these MilliDreads is that most people want to have that natural look, and others are those ones who always like dreads, but sometimes they fear them, thinking that is painful. So I decided to create a crochet that can look like the dreads also, so that those people can do that same hair and they look very, very nice. So this is the MilliDread that I'm trying to show you, and trust me, it is very, very nice, and I know you will love it. So this is how I try to do my inside corners, and trust me, you can also do them. Yes, like every time when we keep on practicing, we can do things that are nice. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I like sharing ideas. I like friends. Yeah, my personal account is Maurice, the Crochet Master, on Instagram. Yes, you can go and follow me there. And still, my salon, Hair by Clippers. Yes, we are the Clippers now, yeah, here in Uganda. So you can follow my page on Facebook, Hair by Clippers, my page on Instagram, Hair by Clippers, and on Twitter, Hair by Clippers, so that you can continue seeing more pictures of different types of hairstyle that I create myself. Yes, I create them myself, and maybe you might see something, and then you come in my comment section, you comment about it, so that one day I can make a tutorial for it, because yes, that's what I always do. I do what you ask me to do. So this is how we are going to do the MilliDreads. They're very, very nice and soft as crochets, and I always recommend it, yeah, to those people who are stress free. Yeah, those people who always want things that you wake up in the morning, I don't need to hold the hair, you don't need to first maintaining the hair. No, this one, you just wake up, you can just spray and you go. Yeah, sometimes you don't spray because it's not that. Oh, sorry about that. Like, it's not spraying like every day. No, you just have to spray once in a while. Yes, because this is the MilliDread. All you can do, just make sure that it's moisturized. So that is, sometimes we just mix oil and water so that we can get that spray that is moisturized. So this is how you just have to join your cornrows like this, and trust me, it is very, very nice. I love it. So you should also try to do the inside corner. So this is the hairpiece that I'm going to be using, the blossom. I'm going to be using it. Yes, it's blossom for darling. So I'm going to be using that one to make my MilliDreads. So I would first put my anti-itchy, because that is my main point always. Before I first put the anti-itchy, so that my client is good to go. No it's good, like no stretching. So now let's try to start plating. Look at this one, the way I'm doing it. Just have to make sure you just twist it this way. It is very, very simple, and I know you can try it out and do something like this. So you just here like that, and you're done. You see like how simple it is. But though as you're crocheting, try to make sure that all your hands are working. And I try to put it here, and my thumbnail, you see, it is always there, just like that, you see. And then I turn it like that. Very, very simple, and I know you can do it too. And then you tie hair very tight. Yes, because these things just like that. So now that's how you can also try to do your MilliDreads this simple, the way it is. Though I'm sorry, my last ending was somehow a bit it like I got some problems when I was trying to get the ending, but all I wanted you to get is how I do it, how I twist it, and probably the corner that you're supposed to do for those MilliDreads. Yes, and how you're supposed to spray treating them. So this is how we do it here at Hair by Clippers. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and please for now I'm just going to sign out, but I would like you guys to follow me on my social medias. That is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and Hair by Clippers, that's my salon. You can still follow it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Yes, for now let me sign out, but see you.